वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। ओम सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। Namaskar. Today we are doing the 7th class of Satyam. Start to share. Okay. So, any questions from the last class? I know some of you wanted me to go over the Natvam rules again. We will do that towards the end of the class. But apart from that, any questions on the concepts we learned or the homework itself?
Bhanu Mahodaya, I had a question.
Yes, Chaitra Mahodaya.
What do we call a counselor in Sanskrit? A mental health counselor, basically.
I don't know off the top of my head. I'll have to look it up and tell you.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Was there a word that you had in mind that you wanted to confirm?
No, I searched for it, but somehow I was not very happy with what I got. Some Sajjiva and all I found out.
Okay.
But somehow that didn't really fit into, my description.
Okay. I will look it up, Mahodaya.
Mahodaya, you said that in one of your email or WhatsApp that you will help us to how to use the Sanskrit dictionary.
We are not there yet. I will certainly do that. It is in our plans to do that. Maybe in 2 or 3 more classes. We need to cover a few more things because unlike English dictionaries, it is not very straightforward. We need to learn some more concepts before we get there.
Okay. Okay.
Certainly it's in the plan.
Okay.
For that, can you suggest something, some dictionary or online or something we can use?
You can certainly use spokensanskrit.org, but like I said, you may not get the full benefit out of it without knowing some other concepts, but you are welcome to use spokensanskrit.org. Yes, Arvind Mahodaya.
Mahodaya, I also use only spokensanskrit.org.
Okay, nice. Astu, Uttama.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello.
Who is
Mahodaya. You suggested one book, RSS Vakyartanam book. That is Sanskrit, Rashtriya Sanskrit. That book is which is available. Where it is available?
It is available online. If you go to our class notes and click on resources, you will find a link to download that book.
That is I downloaded, but I want to purchase a hard copy.
Yeah, sadly, I don't think they are getting too many buyers, so they stopped the publication, or at least they paused it.
Bhanu Mahodaya, sorry to butt in. It is available.
It is available now?
Yes, I'll post it in the group.
Okay.
In the WhatsApp group.
Okay.
And for Chaitra ji's query, can it be Manovigyanik by any chance? For mental health worker?
Possible. But Manovigyanika could also mean a psychiatrist or something like that. But yeah, a
Yeah.
psychiatrist is also a mental health counselor.
But I want it specifically for a counselor without an psychiatric medical, background. So,
Oh,
because I'm a counselor, so I just wanted to know, so I was curious.
okay. I will certainly look at that. Okay. I have a couple of announcements to make. One, in the homework, start using Samyuktaksharaani. We learned that in the third class or second class of the third class. Very soon we will start reading shlokas and stories, and you will encounter a lot of Samyuktaksharaani. We want you to become familiar with them. So technically it is correct to write a halanta before below a Vyanjana and then add one more Vyanjana. It is correct, nothing wrong with that. But in literature, we will see Samyuktaksharaani, and so I don't want you to be stumped by it. So start using Samyuktaksharaani in your homework. The second thing is 80-90% of the students have submitted homework, but there are a few that have not. So one direction we got from Jaykumar Mahodaya, who runs this organization, is it's okay if you cannot attend a class once in a while, but you must do your homework. I know some of you have talked to me that for whatever reason you have not been able to submit. I'm not talking about those people. I'm talking about the others. If you have not talked to me and if you have not submitted your homework, please make sure that you are up to date. Otherwise, you will hear from Jaykumar Mahodaya, and you don't want that. The third thing is when you upload your homework, please make sure that you check what you have scanned. Some of the homework, if they are either too bright or too dark to read, and so the graders are having an issue reading some of the homework. So just before you upload the homework to Google Classroom, please make sure that you are able to read it. If you are able to read it, they will be able to read it. So it's in your benefit to do that, because the less work you create for the graders around these kinds of things, the more time they can spend on helping you with providing you feedback on your homework. So if half the time they spend in saying, please resubmit, I cannot read it, please do this, do that, it's not helpful to you. If it's clear, if it's legible, if you write it very clearly, they will also be happy to grade your paper, and they will be in a pleasant mood to provide you proper feedback, which is the whole point of doing the homework. So that's the thing. I have briefly looked at all the homework submissions. All of you are doing very well in the class. I'm happy to see that. So please continue to put in the same amount of effort. We are slowly going to talk about more complex topics. Become very good at what we have learned so far. If there are some doubts or some concepts that are not clear, ask them on WhatsApp, send an email to our Google group. The teachers are there to help you, the graders will help you, and your fellow students will also help you. So take advantage of the wonderful ecosystem that we have here. Okay, those are all the announcements I had to make. So if you have not submitted your homework, please bring them up to date quickly. Okay, as I said, we will talk about Natvam rules towards the end of the class. Let us start a new topic today. Today we will start learning about numbers. Numbers are called sankhyaah. Number is sankhya, bahuvachanam is sankhyaah. Can everybody see my screen? Can somebody unmute and say yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Uttama.
Bhanumote.
Hmm. So today we will learn from 1 to 30, and then we will learn the other numbers as we go along. So on the left side is the Devanagari word for each of these numbers. So this is the actual word, and these are the numbers in Devanagari. So those with Hindi, Marathi, and other backgrounds, it may be a revision for you. Those with Bengali or South Indian languages, these may be new to you. So please spend some time reading and understanding these numbers, because again, as we start reading stories and shlokas and our shastras, you will encounter them. So please learn them. Arvind Mahodaya, can you read the first 5 numbers here?
Mahadaya, can you hear me?
Yes.
Ekam for 1, E for
Dve. Dve.
Dve for 2,
Hmm.
3,
Trini.
Trini for 3,
Hmm.
Chatvari
Chatvari.
for 4, Pancha for 5.
Pancha. There is no dirgham here. Pancha.
Pancha for 5.
Ekam, dve, trini, chatvari, pancha. Okay. So as I follow the name, yes, Arvind Mahodaya. Okay. I will call out the names, and please read out the numbers that I tell you to read out. But others, please mute yourself, but start reading out the numbers aloud, so that we can quickly go through the numbers and start doing some exercises. Okay. Sri Vidya Mahodaya, please read these next 5 numbers.
Ashta, 6.
Yes.
Shat for 6. Sapta for 7. Ashta for 8. Nava for 9. Dasha for 10.
Uttama. Shekhar Mahodaya, can you read all 10 numbers? And everybody else, please practice speaking out these numbers loud, but please be muted. Go ahead, Shekhar Mahodaya. I cannot hear you, Mahodaya. Okay, we will come back to you. Hemanti Mahodaya, please read these 10 numbers.
Ekam, dve, trini, chatvari, panch.
Pancha, pancha. There is no
Pancha, shat, sapta, ashta, nav, dash.
There is no halanta here. There is no halanta here. So you have to say nava dasha.
Okay, nava, dasha.
Okay. So in Sanskritam, unless there is a halanta marker, you have to say the full matra. You have to say the whole word, full sound.
Thank you.
Shekhar Mahodaya, please go through this and say the word in English also. Say the number in English also. You have to unmute, Mahodaya. Na shruyate. I cannot hear you. No, Mahodaya, I cannot hear you. We will come back to you again, Mahodaya. Vijay Menon Mahodaya, please read all these 10 numbers and say the English number also.
Ekam, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, Chatvari, 4, Pancha, 5, Shata, 6, Sapta, 7.
1 second.
Shata, 6.
There is a halanta here, so shat.
Shat, okay. Shat, 6, Sapta, 7, Ashta, 8, Nava, 9, Dasha, 10.
So in the first 10 numbers, only shat has a halanta. Aparna Mahodaya, please repeat the same thing.
Ekam, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, Chatvari, 4, Pancha, 5, Shat, 6, Sapta, 7, Ashta, 8, Nava, 9, Dasha, 10. Dhanyavada.
Uttamam. Ramesh Mahodaya, please go through the same exercise.
Ekam, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, Chaktari, 4, Chakvari, 4, Pancha, 5, Shat, 6, Sapta, 7, Asta, 8, Nava, 9, Dasha, 10.
Okay. Uttama. Bhagyashree Mahodaya, can you do the same thing without looking at the numbers? Have you been speaking at the numbers out loud? Try it. Try.
Ekam, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, Chatvari, 4, Pancha, 5, Shat, 6, Sapta, 7, Ashta, 8, Nava, 9, Dasha, 10.
Uttama. Very nice. Very nice. Who wants to try?
Mahodaya, Ekam also has halanta here.
Oh, you are right. You are right. You are right. Ekam and Shat have halanta. You are correct.
Yes.
Vijay Sundaram Mahodaya, do you want to try without looking at the screen? You are muted, Mahodaya.
Yeah, I have to look at the screen.
No problem. No problem. Go ahead.
Ekam, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, Chatvari, 4, Pancha, 5, Shat, 6, Sapt, 7, Ashta, Sapta, 7, Ashta, 8, Nava, 9, Dasa, 10.
So there is one more way of remembering these numbers. So since many of you come from a background where you want to learn Shastras, so I'm guessing you have some experience with reading shlokas and all that. So we encounter the same numbers in different contexts, right? So for example, when we say Pancha, we say Pancha Pandavas, right? So that's one way to remember. Pancha Pandavas, Shat Ruchi, Navaratna, Ashta Diggaja. Does anybody know what I'm talking about?
Saptami, Ashtami, Navami, Dashami.
Also,
Can we say that? Can we say Durga Pancharatnam Vaidyanath Ashtakam?
Uttamam. That's how you remember. That's how you remember. You apply what you are learning to what you already know, and that's how you remember. And if anybody has other ways of remembering Ekam, Dve, Trini, tell me, and we can share it in the class and learn together.
Mahodaya, I have a question.
So
Ekam, when we use it, we can also use it like Ekaha Balakaha or Ekam Pustakam. So the word we will modify it, right? According
the
to
word will modify according to the vibhakti. When we cover the topic of vibhakti, we will discuss that. But you are correct. Ekam Pustakam, Eka Balika, Ekaha Balakaha. So all of them have different forms based on Visheshana Vishesha Bhavaha. So these are all actually adjectives. The numbers are all adjectives. It's a little different from how we treat numbers in English and Telugu and Hindi and all other languages.
Ashtadikpalaka, Saptarishi, Shatkona, Pancha Pandava, Chatwar.
I think the general standard for like we have 9 days for Navaratri, right?
Navaratri.
Yeah. So for Navaratri we have, I mean, and before that we have Ekadashi, Dwadashi, Tritiya, Chaturthi.
We will get to after 11 in a minute, but you are correct. Ekadashi, Dwadashi.
Mahodaya.
And then Panchami, Shashti, Saptami, Ashtami, Navami, and Dashmi. So we can just remember.
That way also you can remember, but those are all specific terms. So Ashta is different from Ashtami, but it's a good way to remember. So the word Ashta is actually different from the word Ashtami. We will talk about Ashtami later, but you are correct. That is a good way to
Mahodaya, there's another easy way. Another easy way is Ekam Dve, Akshaya Tritiya, Vinayaka Chaturthi, Naga Panchami, Subramanya Shashti, Ratha Saptami, Gokulashtami, Ramanavami, Vijayadashami, Vaikunta Ekadashi.
It can go like that.
It goes on like that.
Even the other way is Shat Kona, Saptarishi, Ashta Dikpalakas, Navadwaras.
And Dashavatar also.
Dashavatara. Uttama. Good. So now that we have some ways of remembering, let's try an exercise. Chaitra Mahodaya, without looking at the screen, tell the number. Without looking at the screen. Try it. Unmute karotu.
Ekam, Dvi, Trini, Chatvare, Pancha, Shashti, Pancha,
Shat.
Okay, Shat,
Sapta,
Ashta, Nava, Dasha.
Uttama. It is not Dvi, it is Dve, and it is Chatvari, not Chatvare. Uttama. So another interesting fact is the numbers in English, both the actual numbers, these numbers, and the names of the numbers in English have come from Sanskrit. So in English we say 3, right? Chatvari, so quarter, so related to 4. Sapta, 7, septal, system, septahedron, Ashta, 8, Nava is 9. So these are all the English words, they're all derived from Sanskrit. Okay, who else wants to try 1 to 10 without looking at the screen? Ranjani Mahodaya. Try it, it's okay.
Ekam, Dve, Trini, Chatvari, Pancha, Shashta, Sapta, Ashta, Nava, Dasha.
Uttamam. It's not Shashta, it is Shat.
Shatta, right? Shatta.
No, not Shata. There is a Halanta, so Shat. Kavita Murugan Mahodaya, I see you have been practicing, so try it without cooking.
Ekam, dve, त्रीणि, चत्वारि, पञ्च, षट्, सप्त, अष्ट, नव, दश.
Uttamam. Anybody else who's been practicing wants to take a chance? Vijay Meena Mahodaya, I think you raised your hand. Go ahead, Vijay.
Yeah, I can try. Yeah, I can.
Try.
Ekam, dve, त्रीणि, चत्वारि, पञ्च, षट्, सप्त, अष्ट, नव, दश.
Uttamam. Arvind, you had a question?
Yes, I want to say 1 to 10 and 10 to 1.
Okay, just say 1 to 10 first. We will worry about 10 to 1 later.
Okay.
Close your eyes.
I close my eyes.
Okay.
Ekam, dve, त्रीणि, चत्वारि, पञ्च, षट्, सप्त, अष्ट, नव, दश.
Uttamam. Nilesh Mahodaya, do you want to try it?
Yes, I can. Ekam, dve, त्रीणि, चत्वारि, पञ्च, षट्, सप्त, अष्ट, नव, दश.
Uttamam. Bhavani Mahodaya, do you want to try it?
Yes, Mahodaya. Ekam, dve, त्रीणि, चत्वारि, पञ्च, षट्, सप्त, अष्ट, नव, दश.
Uttamam. Usha Mahodaya, do you want to try it?
Yes, Mahodaya. Ekam, dve, त्रीणि, चत्वारि, पञ्च, षट्, सप्त, अष्ट, नव, दश.
Uttamam. Pankaj Mahodaya, do you want to try?
Just check one thing. Do we need? I suppose we need to know how to write it in other than words, right? In the number form.
Yes. In the
So we'll
green.
That's going to be a bit of a challenge.
It will come, Mahodaya. Anything. See, 3 looks like English 3, right? I mean, the normal 3 that we write. 0.
0 is fine.
1 and 2. It will come with practice.
Okay. All right. Dhanyawada.
Mahodaya.
Yes, Mahodaya. Ekam, dve, त्रीणि, चत्वारि, पञ्च, षट्, सप्त, अष्ट, नव, दश.
Uttamam. Manjula Mahodaya, I see that you are practicing. Do you want to try?
Ekam, dve, त्रीणि, चत्वारि, नव,
Pancha.
पञ्च, नव, दश.
Okay. So say the English also. That way you won't lose track of it. Ekam, 1, 2, 2, like that.
त्रीणि, 3, 5.
Chatwari. Go ahead, Mahodaya. Chatwari, 4. I cannot.
7, Ashta, 8, 9, Dasha, 10.
Uttam. Very nice. Okay. Anybody else wants to try? Before we go to the next number.
Chandrasekhar. Hello.
Chandrasekhar Mahodaya, you want to try?
Yeah.
Try.
Ekam, dve, त्रीणि, चत्वारि, पञ्च, षट्, सप्त, अष्ट, नव, दश.
Sapta. Uttam. Rachana Mahodaya, did you raise your hand?
Yes, I did.
Please go ahead.
Ekam, dve, त्रीणि, चत्वारि, पञ्च, षट्, सप्त, अष्ट, नव, दश.
Uttamam. Shat. It is shat. Because there is a halanta.
Okay, shat.
Vijay Sundaram Mahodaya, you want to try it now? You are muted, Mahodaya.
Ekam, dve, त्रीणि, चत्वारि, पञ्च, षट्, सप्त, अष्ट, नव, दश.
Uttam. Anybody have any questions about these 10 numbers? So at home, please practice writing the number format also that is shown in green color here. It is important because, like I said, like I keep saying, any stories or shlokas that we read, they will have only these numbers, not the normal numbers we use.
Mahodaya, I have a question.
Vadatu Mahodaya.
For the shirt, sometimes do we also say shed?
When you mix it with, when it is part of a bigger word, it becomes shad. But
Okay.
normally, if you want to say just to say 6, it is shat.
Shed. Okay. Yeah. Dhanyawad.
Yeah. Okay. Viraj Mahodaya, can you read the first 10 numbers on the left side? And also say the English numbers.
Ekadasha 11, Dwadasha 12, Trayodasha 13, Chaturdasha 14, Panchadasha 15, Shodasha 16, Saptadasha 17, Ashtadasha 18, Navadasha 19, Vimshatihi 20.
Uttama. It is Ashtadasha, not Ashtadasha. Ashtadasha. So that is one peculiarity about 8. Wherever it comes with a dirgham. All the other numbers, it comes with a hrasvam. Ashtadasha, Ashtavimshatihi. So even for 38, 48 and so on, Ashta, it's Ashta. So that is the only number that has a dirgham. That's one thing to remember. The second thing, if you notice, if you literally translate it, Ekadasha means 1 and 10. Dwadasha is 2 and 10. Trayodasha is 3 and 10. So unlike in English, the base comes second. So it will be more clear when we do 21. So it is 1 and 20, 2 and 20, 3 and 20, 4 and 20 instead of 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay, remember that. And then the other thing to notice is 20. Vimshatihi has a visarga at the end. 1 to 19, Ekadasha to Navadasha does not have a visarga. Vimshatihi has a visarga. Remember that. Why it is like that, we will learn in a future class. For now, learn that this is the way. There is a logical explanation for why it is. We will learn it after we learn vibhaktis and all that. Okay. Surendra, yes, somebody has.
I had a question. When you say vibhakti, does it mean grammar?
Yeah, it is part of grammar.
Part of grammar. Okay. Thank you.
Don't worry about it for now. We will certainly learn it after we cover the basics.
Okay. No.
Surendra Mahodaya.
Yes, Mahodaya. Yes, Mahodaya.
Can you please read 11 to 20 in Sanskritam and also say the equivalent in English?
Ekadasha 11, Dwadasha 12, Trayodasha 13, Chaturdasha 14, Panchadasha 15, Shodasha 16, Saptadasha 17, Ashtadasha 18, Navadasha 19, Vinshati 20.
Vimshatihi.
Vinshatihi 20.
Visarga, and you have to pronounce the visarga.
Yes.
Dhanyawad Mahodaya. So again, like we did 1 to 10, please mute yourself and start speaking out the numbers loud and learn it. I'm going to call your name without following an order. So I'll pick your name at random. So please start learning the numbers. Rachana Mahodaya, let's try this again. You can look for now.
Yes. Ekadasha, Dwadasha, Trayodasha.
Say the English also. That way it will stick in our mind.
Yeah. Ekadasha 11, Dwadasha 12, Trayodasha 13, Chaturdasha 14, Panchadasha 15, Shodasha 16, Saptadasha 17, Ashtadasha 18, Navadasha 19, Vimshatihi 20.
Uttamam, Uttamam. Pankaj Jain Mahodaya.
11 to 20 or?
No, let's first learn 11 to 20. Let's first finish this.
Ekadasha, Dwadasha,
Say the English also, so it will stick in our mind.
Ekadasha 11, Dwadasha 12, Trayodasha 13, Chaturdasha 14, Panchadasha 15, Shodasha 16, Saptadasha 17, Ashtadasha 18, Navadasha 19, Vinshati 20.
Vimshatihi. There is a visarga, so you have to say that also.
Vinshatihi. Vinshatihi.
Uttamam, Uttamam. So again, like Meera Mahodaya was saying, and somebody else was saying, we have the days after Dashami, right? Ekadasha, Dwadasha, Trayodasha, up until Amavasya or Paurnima. So that is one way to remember. And Trayodasha, we see a modified form of it in popular usage. We see it as being referred to as Dhanteras. Teras is actually Trayodasha. It's a modified form or whatever, a corrupted form, however you want to call it in Hindi, and that is what we see. So technically, that has nothing to do with buying gold, but anyway, it is what it is. So that's another way of remembering these numbers. Ramachandran Mahodaya, can you please go through 11 to 20?
Ekadasha 11, Dwadasha 12, Trayodasha 13, Chaturdasha 14, Panchadasha 14, 15, Shodadasha 16, Saptadasha 17, Ashtadasha 18, Navadasha 19, Vimshatihi 20.
Can you read 16 again?
Shodadasha.
No. Shodasha. There is no da here. Shodasha. Uttama. Nilesh Mahodaya.
Ekadasha 11, Dwadasha 12, Trayodasha 13, Chaturdasha 14, Panchadasha 15, Shodasha 16, Saptadasha 17, Ashtadasha 18, Navadasha 19, Vimshatihi 20.
Uttama. Bhagyashri Mahodaya. Do you want to try without looking? Have you learned it?
Okay, I will try. Ekadasha 11, Dwadasha 12, Trayodasha 13, Chaturdasha 14, Panchadasha 15, Shodasha 16, Saptadasha 17, Ashtadasha 18, Navadasha 19, Vimshatihi 20.
Uttamam. Elizabeth Mahodaya. Please unmute yourself. Do you want to try, Mahodaya?
I'll try.
Try.
I'm not very confident, but I'll
It's
try.
okay. It's okay. You are among friends, so please try.
Ekadasha 11, Dwadasha 12, Trayodasha 13, Chaturdasha 14, Panchadasha 15, Shadasha 16, Saptadasha 17, Ashtadasha 18, Navadasha 19, and
Vimshatihi.
20.
Uttamam. See, you already learned it. One small correction, Mahodaya. 16 is Shodhasha.
Shodasha.
Uttamam. Uttamam. Ratnakar Mahodaya, do you want to try it?
Yes, Mahodaya. Ekadasha, Dvadasha, Trayodasha, Chaturdasha, Panchadasha, Shodasha, Saptadasha, Ashtadasha, Navadasha, Vimshati.
Vimshatihi. Uttamam. Ramu Mahodaya.
एकादश द्वादश त्रयोदश चतुर्दश पंचदश षोडश सप्तदश अष्टादश नवदश विंशतिः.
Like an express train. Uttamam. Uttamam. Bhavani Mahodaya.
एकादश द्वादश त्रयोदश चतुर्दश पंचदश षोडश सप्तदश अष्टादश नवदश विंशतिः.
उत्तमं. नारायणन् महोदय प्रयत्नं करोतु महोदय.
द्वादश त्रयोदश चतुर्दश पंचदश
Ramchandran Mahodaya, mute yourself.
Other than Narayanan Mahodaya.
Sorry.
चिंता मास्तु, चिंता मास्तु.
एकादश द्वादश त्रयोदश चतुर्दश पंचदश षोडश सप्तदश अष्टादश नवदश विंशतिः.
उत्तमं. मीरा महोदय.
एकादश द्वादश त्रयोदश चतुर्दश पंचदश षोडश सप्तदश अष्टादश नवदश विंशतिः.
उत्तमं. Arvind, you want to try? Try.
एकादश द्वादश त्रयोदश चतुर्दश पंचदश षोडश सप्तदश अष्टादश नवदश विंशतिः.
उत्तमं. You guys are all experts by now. उत्तमं. Ranjini Mahodaya, Vijay Menon, Mahodaya, I'll come to you next. Ranjini Mahodaya.
एकादश द्वादश त्रयोदश चतुर्दश पंचदश षोडश सप्तदश अष्टादश नवदश विंशतिः.
उत्तमं. Go ahead, Vijay Menon Mahodaya.
एकादश द्वादश त्रयोदश चतुर्दश पंचदश षोडश सप्तदश अष्टादश नवदश विंशतिः.
उत्तमं. Shekhar Mahodaya, do you want to try again? Let's see if you are able to unmute yourself and.
एकादश द्वादश त्रयोदश चतुर्दश पंचदश षोडश सप्तदश अष्टादश नवदश विंशतिः.
Uttamam. It is one thing. 13 is not Triyodasha, it is Trayodasha. Uttamam.
Trayodasha.
Mahodaya. Trayodasha.
Thank you.
Okay. Any questions before we move? Trayodasha. Shall we do 21 to 30? Okay. Yes. Sounds like it's fun for all of you. I see a lot of smiles. Uttamam. Bala Mahodaya. Can you please read 21 to 30 in Sanskritam and say the equivalent in English? Bala Mahodaya. Yes, Mahodaya.
One quick question, Mahodaya. So I know that we have not done the actual digits for practicing the writing, but the 11 and 19, can you, the way they have written 11 and 19, if you can tell the difference?
So,
I mean,
So what is the question, Mahodaya?
No, I mean, for me, it's difficult to identify the difference between 11 and 19. Sir.
Got it. So 9 looks like the reverse mirror image of 1. Not exactly, but it kind of looks like the mirror image of 1. So in 11, it's like this. In 19, it's 1 and then the reverse of 1.
Okay,
But
got it.
I'm going to share this PDF with all of you. So please look at the Devanagari numbers and practice it at home. We will also have it as part of the homework.
Okay.
Important to know the how to write the numbers also in Devanagari.
For 1, the hook is to the front. For 9, the hook is to the back.
Okay, that is good. That is one good way to remember.
Thank you.
Okay, Bala Mahodaya, have you been able to unmute yourself? Uttama Mahodaya. Let us do
Namaste,
20.
Mahodaya.
Namaste, Mahodaya. Let us do 21 to 30. Read what is on the screen and say the equivalent in English.
In
English. For example,
Okay.
Ekavimshatihi is 21.
21.
Say it like that.
Ekavimshati, 21. Dvavimshati, 22. Trayovimshati.
Sorry to interrupt you, Mahodaya. There is a visarga at the end. So you,
Okay, Vishatihi. Okay. I'll start again.
Yes, please.
Ekavimshatihi, 21. Dvavimshatihi, 22. Trayovimshatihi, 23. Chaturvimshatihi, 24. Panchavimshatihi, 25. Shadvimshatihi, 26. Saptavimshatihi, 27. Ashtavimshatihi, 28. Navavimshatihi, 29. Trimshat, 30.
So Trimshat as a halanta, it does not have a visarga. So that is one thing to remember.
You have to cut it there.
Correct. And then, like I was saying earlier, it is 1 and 20, 2 and 20, 3 and 20, 4 and 20, and like that. Unlike in English, where we say 21, 22, so the 1, 2, 3, 4 comes at the end. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4 comes at the beginning, and then the Vimshatihi comes at the end. So it is like the American date format versus Indian date format. So it's ulta.
Dhanyavada.
Dhanyavada, Mahodaya. Okay. So like before, please mute yourself unless I call your name and practice all these numbers. After a while, I'll call your name and let's see how much you can remember. Okay, let us start again from the beginning. Arvind Mahodaya, read all 10 numbers, please. Unmute yourself. Arvind, I cannot hear you.
Sorry, Mahodaya, I said everything in mute.
No problem. Try it again.
Vimshati, Dvavimshati,
Vimshati na, Vimshatihi. Visarga is there.
Vimshatihi, Trayovimshatihi, Chaturvimshatihi, Panchavimshatihi, Shatvimshatihi,
Shadvimshatihi.
Saptavimshatihi, Ashtavimshatihi.
Ashtavimshatihi. So remember, I said wherever you get Ashta, it's always in Dirgha. Ashtavimshati, Ashtadasha.
Ashtavimshatihi, Navavimshatihi, Trishata.
Trimshat. There is a halanta, so Trimshat.
Trimshat. Okay, Mahodaya. Dhanyavada.
Mahodaya, I have a question.
Vadatu Mahodaya.
I was taught Ekona Vimshatihi for 19.
That is also correct. Eka Una, that is, so Una just means one short of or less than. Ekona means one less than Vimshatihi, one less than 20 is 19. That is also correct. We will see the usage of una when we learn how to say time. We will do time in the next class. We will see that. So just like in English, we say 5:45 or 5:45. So there is a way to say using una for 5:45 for saying 5:40 for saying 5:45 instead of 5:45. So una means less than. Ekona vinshatihi is 1 less than 20, so that is 90. That is another way to say it. Okay, Sri Vidya Mahoday, let's go through this list. Say it in Sanskritam and then in English.
Ekavimshatihi 21, Dvavimshatihi 22, Trayovimshatihi 23, Chaturvimshatihi 24, Panchavimshatihi 25, Shadvimshatihi 26, Saptavimshatihi 27, Ashtavimshatihi 28, Navavimshatihi 29, Trimshat.
Uttama, Uttama. Shekhar Mahodaya, can you please read and say it in English?
Ekavimshatihi 21, Dvavimshatihi 22, Trayovimshatihi 23, Chaturvimshatihi 24, Panchavimshatihi 25, Shadvimshatihi 26, 26, Ashtavimshatihi 27, sorry, 28, Navavimshatihi 29, Trimshat 30.
30. Narayanan Mahodaya or Meera Mahodaya, do you have a question? I see a raised hand. No. Okay. Hemanti Mahodaya.
Ekavimshatihi 21, Dvavimshatihi 22, Trayovimshatihi 23, Chaturvimshatihi 24, Panchavimshatihi 25, Shadvimshatihi 26, Saptavimshatihi 27, Ashtavimshatihi 28, Navavimshatihi 29, Trinshat 30.
Uttama.
I have a question. Why is Shadvimshatihi written differently? Why is the Raswai on? Yeah.
I understand. I think it's just a font issue, Mahodaya. That's how the font maker made it. But normally, if we write it by hand, we would put it on the dha, not extend it.
Okay. So it would be on the va, not on the da.
But if we combine da and va, it will come together because da has been written as a halant thing.
Okay.
Okay. Clear, Mahodaya?
Yes. Thank you.
Vijay Menon Mahodaya, let's go through this exercise.
Okay. Ekvimshatihi.
Ekavimshatihi.
Yeah. Ekavimshatihi, Dvavimshatihi, Trayovimshatihi, Chaturvimshatihi, Panchavimshatihi, Shadavimshatihi.
Shadvimshatihi. There is a halanta.
Shadvimshatihi, Saptavimshatihi, Ashtavimshatihi, Navavimshatihi, Trinshat.
Uttama. Aparna Mahodaya.
एकविंशतिः द्वाविंशतिः त्रयोविंशतिः चतुर्विंशतिः पञ्चविंशतिः षड्विंशतिः सप्तविंशतिः अष्टाविंशतिः नवविंशतिः त्रिंशत्.
Uttama. Ramesh Mahodaya.
एकविंशतिः 21, द्वाविंशतिः 22, त्रयोविंशतिः 23, चतुर्विंशतिः 24, पञ्चविंशतिः 25,
Panchavinshatihi. There is no dirgha.
पञ्चविंशतिः 24.
Only Ashta has the dirgha. Ashtavinshati. Everything else is hrasva. There is no dirgha. Please go ahead.
विंशतिः पञ्चविंशतिः पञ्चविंशतिः षड्विंशतिः सप्तविंशतिः अष्टाविंशतिः नवविंशतिः त्रिंशत्
Vijay Sundaram Mahodaya.
एकविंशतिः द्वाविंशतिः त्रयोविंशतिः त्रयोविंशतिः चतुर्विंशतिः पञ्चविंशतिः षड्विंशतिः षड्विंशतिः सप्तविंशतिः अष्टाविंशतिः नवविंशतिः त्रिंशत्
Chandrasekhar Mahodaya. You have to unmute yourself, Mahodaya.
एकविंशतिः द्वाविंशतिः त्रयोविंशतिः चतुर्विंशतिः पञ्चविंशतिः षड्विंशतिः सप्तविंशतिः अष्टाविंशतिः नवविंशतिः त्रिंशत्.
So it is not saptavinshatihi, it is saptavinshatihi.
Saptavinshatihi.
Only Ashta has the dirgham.
Yeah.
Saptavinshatihi. Everything else is hrasvam only.
Yeah.
Mahodaya, Dwa also has dirgha, right? Dwa vimshati.
Okay. Okay. Correct. Okay, you're right. Usha Mahodaya.
एकविंशतिः द्वाविंशतिः त्रयोविंशतिः चतुर्विंशतिः पञ्चविंशतिः षड्विंशतिः सप्तविंशतिः अष्टाविंशतिः नवविंशतिः त्रिंशत्.
उत्तमं. सुरेन्द्र महोदय.
एकविंशतिः द्वाविंशतिः त्रयोविंशतिः चतुर्विंशतिः पञ्चविंशतिः षड्विंशतिः सप्तविंशतिः अष्टाविंशतिः नवविंशतिः त्रिंशत्.
I like the way you said it, Mahodaya. It's musical. Is that how you learned before?
Yes.
Okay. It's a nice. It has a nice ring to it. It's a nice. Instead of being bland, it has. It is like reciting a shloka. Very nice. Rachana Mahodaya, are you ready to say it without looking?
I'll try.
Okay.
एकविंशतिः द्वाविंशतिः त्रिविंशतिः चतुर्विंशतिः पञ्चविंशतिः षड्विंशतिः सप्तविंशतिः अष्टाविंशतिः नवविंशतिः त्रिंशत्.
Trimshat. Uttamam.
त्रिंशत्.
Only it's not Trivimshatihi, it is Trayo.
Oh yes, yeah. Sorry, yeah. Thank you.
So it is your luck that if you joined later in the class, I have written your name later, and I'm asking you to say the words without looking. It's just a matter of luck.
Yes.
So next time join the class before everybody does. Pankaj Mahodaya, do you want to try?
एकविंशतिः द्वाविंशतिः त्रयोविंशतिः चतुर्विंशतिः पञ्चविंशतिः षड्विंशतिः सप्तविंशतिः अष्टाविंशतिः नवविंशतिः त्रिंशत्.
उत्तमम् उत्तमम्.
Bhanu Mahadaya, one doubt. So Vimshatihi or Vinshatihi? So that m or na?
Ma.
Okay.
Vim. Vimshatihi.
Thank you. Yeah.
Chaitra Mahodaya, you want to try without looking? Unmute karotu Mahodaya.
एकविंशतिः द्वाविंशतिः त्रयोविंशतिः चतुर्विंशतिः पञ्चविंशतिः षड्विंशतिः सप्तविंशतिः अष्टाविंशतिः नवविंशतिः त्रिंशत्.
उत्तमम्. Viraj Mahodaya, do you also want to try?
एकविंशतिः द्वाविंशतिः त्रयोविंशतिः चतुर्विंशतिः पञ्चविंशतिः षड्विंशतिः सप्तविंशतिः अष्टाविंशतिः नवविंशतिः त्रिंशत्.
उत्तमम्. Nilesh Mahodaya, do you want to try? Nilesh Kumar Mahodaya, you have to unmute yourself.
Sorry.
Bhanu Mahodaya.
Yes, Mahodaya.
We had a doubt. So it's Chaturvimshatihi. That on Chatur, on top of ta, that tail has to come, right?
Chatur.
Normally we write on top of ta, right? So it's here. It's on top of V.
Why will it be on top of ta?
No, it's Chatur, right? So
if it is on top of that, it will become Chartu.
Yeah.
It is on top of ta, it becomes Chartu.
So remember, read left to right, top to bottom. So cha, tu, ra, v, e, like that.
Bhanu Mahodaya, number 1 and sha looks the same way.
Kim Mahodaya?
Number 1, writing number 1 and sha looks the same way except the danda.
Except the danda. That is one more way to remember that. If you want to remember how to write 1, take out the danda from sha. Uttama Mahodaya.
Thank you.
Shall I go ahead, Bhanu Mahodaya?
Please go ahead, Viraj Mahodaya.
It was
Nilesh. Sorry.
No problem. एकविंशतिः द्वाविंशतिः त्रयोविंशतिः चतुर्विंशतिः पञ्चविंशतिः षड्विंशतिः सप्तविंशतिः अष्टाविंशतिः नवविंशतिः त्रिंशत्.
Uttamam. Bhagyashree Mahodaya, I see you are practicing. Do you want to try?
एकविंशतिः द्वाविंशतिः त्रयोविंशतिः चतुर्विंशतिः पञ्चविंशतिः षड्विंशतिः सप्तविंशतिः अष्टाविंशतिः नवविंशतिः त्रिंशत्.
Uttamam. Manjula Mahodaya, I see you are practicing also. Do you want to try?
Mahodaya. एकविंशतिः द्विविंशतिः त्रयोविंशतिः. Sorry? द्वाविंशतिः त्रयोविंशतिः चतुर्विंशतिः पञ्चविंशतिः षड्विंशतिः सप्तविंशतिः नवविंशतिः. Correct?
Correct.
अष्ट सप्तविंशतिः अष्टाविंशतिः नवविंशतिः त्रिंशत्.
Uttamam. Kavita Mahodaya, do you want to try?
एकविंशतिः द्वाविंशतिः त्रयोविंशतिः चतुर्विंशतिः पञ्चविंशतिः षड्विंशतिः सप्तविंशतिः अष्टाविंशतिः नवविंशतिः त्रिंशत्.
Uttamam. Elizabeth Mahodaya, do you want to try it?
एकविंशति एकविंशतिः द्वाविंशतिः त्रयोविंशतिः चतुर्विंशतिः पञ्चविंशतिः षड्विंशतिः सप्तविंशतिः अष्टाविंशतिः नवविंशतिः त्रिंशत्
उत्तमं महोदय, उत्तमं. Ratnakar Mahodaya, do you want to try without looking?
Yes, Mahodaya. एकविंशतिः द्वाविंशतिः त्रयोविंशतिः चतुर्विंशतिः पञ्चविंशतिः षड्विंशतिः सप्तविंशतिः अष्टाविंशतिः नवविंशतिः त्रिंशत्.
उत्तमं. Ranjini Mahodaya, I see you practicing.
एकविंशतिः द्वाविंशतिः त्रयोविंशतिः चतुर्विंशतिः पञ्चविंशतिः षड्विंशतिः सप्तविंशतिः अष्टाविंशतिः नवविंशतिः त्रिंशत्.
उत्तमं. Ramu Mahodaya, do you want to try?
एकविंशतिः द्वाविंशतिः त्रयोविंशतिः चतुर्विंशतिः पञ्चविंशतिः षड्विंशतिः सप्तविंशतिः अष्टाविंशतिः नवविंशतिः त्रिंशत्.
उत्तमं महोदय.
The train had an accident.
Narayanan Mahodaya.
एकविंशतिः द्वाविंशतिः त्रयोविंशतिः चतुर्विंशतिः पञ्चविंशतिः षड्विंशतिः सप्तविंशतिः अष्टाविंशतिः नवविंशतिः त्रिंशत्.
अष्टा. Small ta, not
अष्टाविंशतिः.
मीरा महोदय.
एकविंशतिः द्वाविंशतिः त्रयोविंशतिः चतुर्विंशतिः पञ्चविंशतिः षड्विंशतिः सप्तविंशतिः अष्टविंशतिः नवविंशतिः त्रिंशत्.
Anybody wants to say one mistake that Meera Mahodaya made?
अष्टाविंशतिः.
अष्टाविंशतिः. चिंता नास्ति. I'm not pointing fingers. I'm just helping everybody practice.
More mistakes you make, more you learn.
Right attitude, Mahodaya. Bhavani Mahodaya, do you want to try?
Yes, Mahodaya. एकविंशतिः द्वाविंशतिः त्रयोविंशतिः चतुर्विंशतिः पञ्चविंशतिः षड्विंशतिः सप्तविंशतिः अष्टाविंशतिः नवविंशतिः त्रिंशत्.
अष्टा.
Okay.
Uttamam. Anybody else wants to try this without looking? Or did I miss anybody? Vijay Menon Mahodaya. Unmute yourself, Mahodaya.
Sorry, sir. एकविंशतिः द्वाविंशतिः त्रयोविंशतिः चतुर्विंशतिः पञ्चविंशतिः षड्विंशतिः सप्तविंशतिः अष्टाविंशतिः नवविंशतिः त्रिंशत्.
उत्तमं. हेमन्ती Mahodaya, do you want to try without looking?
Yes, sure. एकविंशतिः द्वाविंशतिः त्रयोविंशतिः चतुर्विंशतिः पञ्चविंशतिः षड्विंशतिः सप्तविंशतिः अष्टाविंशतिः नवविंशतिः त्रिंशत्.
Uttamam Mahodaya. One small correction. It is not Vinshatihi, it is Vimshatihi.
Vimshatihi.
Arvind,
Thank you.
Arvind Mahodaya, do you want to try? Arvind Mahodaya.
Okay.
Try karotu. Prayatnam karotu Mahodaya.
What?
Try.
Okay. एकविंशतिः द्वाविंशतिः त्रयोविंशतिः चतुर्विंशतिः पञ्चविंशतिः षड्विंशतिः सप्तविंशतिः अष्टविंशतिः अष्टाविंशतिः नवविंशतिः
त्रिंशत् उत्तमं one more express train उत्तमं महोदय. Okay, anybody have any questions about the numbers that we have covered so far? We have covered 1 to 30. Any questions? Please speak up because I cannot see all of you at the same time. Okay, so let us try practice an exercise. Trividya Mahoday, let us first, can you see my screen with these washermen?
Yes, we can see.
Yes, yes.
So we see many washermen. So what do you call them in Sanskritam? Bahuvachanam or Ekavachanam? Let's try Ekavachanam first.
I don't have the.
Rajakaha.
Rajataha.
Rajakaha. And how many do you see here? 6. It's okay. 6. How do you say washerman?
Shat Rajataha.
Shat Rajakaha. Uttamam. Shekhar Mahodaya. These are all women. How do we say Bahuvachanam for women?
Mahilaha.
Mahilaha. And there are 10 women. How do you say that? Dasha Mahilaha. Uttamam. Hemanti Mahodaya.
Thank you.
These are all students. How do you say Bahuvachanam for students?
Chhatraha.
Chhatraha. And there are 14 of them. How do you say that?
Chaturdasha.
Uttamam. Chaturdasha Chhatraha. Uttamam Mahodaya.
Thank you. Dhanyavada.
Vijay Meenan Mahodaya. How do you say singer? Ekavachanam and then Bahuvachanam.
Gaika singular. Bahuvachanam Gaikaha.
There are 9 of them.
So Nava Gaikaha.
Nava Gaikaha. Kavita Mahodaya, do you agree with that answer? Is it Nava Gaikaha? Is that correct?
I don't know, sir.
No, try Mahoday. So if I'm asking you this question, how would you answer it? Those are all singers. How do you say singers, Bahuvachanam?
Gaikaha.
There are 9 of them. How do you say 9?
Nava
Gaikaha. So what Vijay Meenan said is correct. Mahodaya said is correct. I'm trying to get you also practice. Be confident. Even if you say the wrong answer, no. It's, like I said, we are all friends here, so don't worry about it.
Dhanyavada.
Aparna Mahodaya. Nava Gaikaha. This one. Okay. Assume this is not here. Without looking, can you say?
Gayakaha.
Bahuvachan.
Gayakaha Bahuvachan.
Bahuvachanam. There are 5 of them. How would you say it?
Pancha Gayakaha.
Pancha Gayakaha. Uttamam. Ramesh Mahodaya. What do you see on your screen?
Kamalaha.
Malam. Kamalani.
Okay, let us try Pushpam. let us say flower. What is the Bahuvachanam of flower? Pushpam.
Pushpani.
Pushpani. How many do you see?
8. Asta Pushpani.
Ashta Pushpani. And if you want to be more specific and say they are lotus, 8 lotuses, how would you say?
Asta Kamalan.
Ashta Kamalani. Uttamam. Uttamam.
Kamal is lotus is also Padma or something, no? No.
Padmaha. Padma is Strilinga. Sapta Padmaha. Okay, next is Chaitra Mahodaya.
Nakshatram.
Bahuvachanam.
Nakshatrani.
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 How many do you count? 11. There are 11. So how do you say 11 stars?
Ekadasha nakshatrani.
Ekadasha nakshatrani. Surendra Mahodaya, do you agree with that answer? Is Ekadasha nakshatrani correct?
Yes.
Ekadasha nakshatrani.
Ekadasha nakshatrani.
Uttamam. Uttamam. Vijay Sundara Mahodaya, do you want to try this? Sorry. Oh, we are done. Okay. Okay. So we will do more practice in the next class of these numbers and how to associate them with words. Any questions so far on what we have learned today from anybody? Okay. How many of you want to discuss about Anatvam that we learned in the last class? If it's only a handful of people, we will do it later. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we will do Natvam again. We will do Natvam. Okay. So Vijay Menon Mahodaya, what about Natvam is not clear. Help me understand what the challenge you are facing so that I can help you.
So, Mahodaya, in the word Indriyani, okay, there were 2 rules which were getting matched, right? So, I was not sure if after the first rule we should look for a na at the end, or we have to apply both the rules and then look for the na.
Okay. Let us go to that slide. It is still loading.
Yeah.
Bhanu Mahodaya.
Here.
Yes. 1 second, Mahodaya. Indriyani. Okay. So basically, Natvam is nothing but a rule or a set of rules that tell us whether we have to use na or ana. That's all it is. Let us, if we simplify it, it won't become a mystery and it won't scare us. All we are trying to do is figure out whether to use na or ana. That's all. The second thing is, it can apply to Ekavachanam or Bahuvachanam. It can apply to Pumlinga, Strilinga or Napumsakalinga. The only reason when we learned Napumsakalinga Bahuvachanam is most of the Napumsakalinga Bahuvachanam words end with ni. Unlike Ekavachanam, Bahuvachanam of Pumlinga which ends with aha. I mean, among the words that we have learned, or Strilinga, Lataha, or Pumlinga Ramaha. So they didn't end with ni or ni, so we didn't have to worry about it. So we are worrying about it only now because we are encountering words like Chatrani or Pushpani or Kamalani. So there the discrepancy is coming. Should it be ni or ani? Or more generally, should it be na or na? Okay, so that is the first thing. Is that clear, Vijay Mahodaya?
Yes, yes, that's clear.
Okay.
That
Nothing
is
to
clear.
do with Vachanam or Lingam. It
No,
is
no,
applicable to any word of any Lingam, any Vachanam. Okay.
So
start with the assumption that it ends with ni or
correct.
na. Let us start with that. So let's then break it up into the component sounds. So Indriyani is I, N, Nakara, Dakara, Rekha, I, Ikara, Yakara, Akara, Nakara, and Ikara. Okay.
Yeah.
So then identify where the Nakara is. Fine, we found it. Identify if there is a Rekha, Shakara, or Rukara before that Nakara.
Correct.
Okay. So if we look through, we see that there is only a Rekha. There is no Shakara or Rukara. So
correct.
Now we have to determine whether the presence of this Rekha before this Nakara will convert this Nakara into Anakara. Okay.
Correct.
So now,
understood.
Okay. So what does rule 1 say? The rule 1, let me go to the previous slide. The rule 1 says if there is a Rekha, Shakara or a Rakara immediately before the Nakara, then there is a Anakara. Immediately before Nakara. Here we see that there are some intervening letters between Nakara and Rakara.
Correct.
Fine. So rule
Correct.
1 does not apply. Rule 1 does not apply. Now, what does rule 2 say? The rule 2 says between Rekha, Shakara and Rukara and Nakara, if any of these letters come into play, then the Nakara becomes Anakara. So let us determine if these three letters belong to this set of letters. Does E belong to this set?
Yes, yes, yes.
Because
to O.
To O, Uttamam. Does Yakara belong to this set?
Yes, yes, second one. Yeah.
And Akara?
Yes.
Because it is part of the Swara. So, because between the Rekha and the Nakara, all the valid Aksharani are there, letters are there, this Nakara has to convert to Nakara. And so, write down the same breakup, but this time replace Nakara with Anakara. So, Ikara, Nakara, Dakara, Rakara, Ikara, Yakara, Akara, Nakara, I. And then when you say it together, it becomes Indriyani.
Yeah. Yeah, my confusion happened because I looked at R and E. I said rule is covered. But after that, it is not a N. So I didn't know we have to look at Y also and then continue with that.
So between Rekha and Nakara, if there are multiple letters, you have to look at every single letter.
And all should fall into that set of those.
As long as it falls into this set, the rule applies.
Okay,
and even if one single letter falls here, that is falls outside of this set, then the rule gets cancelled.
Nullified, yeah, it's okay.
So no, let us say there is a Takara also. I'm just making up some word. After the Ikara, let us say there is a Takara.
Then
right?
it won't.
Then the rule gets cancelled. So the word will still remain Indrithyani. It will not be Indrithyani.
Okay.
It will be Indrithyani only.
Yeah, clear. Very nice.
First time? Okay. Okay, somebody else asked a
Mahodaya.
question. Hold on, Ratnakar Mahodaya. Before that, I didn't see the name, but some woman asked, wanted to ask something. Okay, I asked you to hold on for 1 second. So, Mahodaya, please ask your question. I didn't see who it was. Shamyata. Okay. If you remember your question, ask me. Go ahead, Ratnakar Mahodaya.
No, Mahodaya. So here in this example, Indriyani, between Refa and Na, we have E, Ya, and A, right? So, so if you have the extra letter Sa, so E plus Sa plus Ya plus A plus Na, then it's gone. It won't apply.
Then the rule is cancelled. Then the rule is cancelled because Sakara is not part of this set of allowed letters.
Okay. So so how many letters are there? It doesn't matter. But see, if instead of 1 or 2 letters, if you have 4 or 5 also, it's fine. But all the 5 letters should belong to this second box.
Correct. Even if there are 100 letters between Refa and Nakara, all 100 have to belong to this set. Even if 99 belong, but 1 does not belong, then the rule gets cancelled. Then the Nakara remains Nakara.
Yeah, because when we were doing the homework from 20 to 40, yeah, I had to see like if it ends with Nakara or Ana.
Okay. One more thing that I want to clarify. Somebody asked me on WhatsApp or somewhere, is this rule only to see whether Nakara becomes Nakara or is it the other way around also? It is not. So we don't worry when the Nakara becomes a Nakara. That is not a conversion that will take place. We are only worried about when the Nakara becomes Nakara, not the other way around.
Mahodaya.
Bhagyashree Mahodaya, Vadatu Mahodaya.
We worry about the word only at the end if there is na and before that any letter preceding to that, right? For example, Indriyani, we worry about only at the end na and then you say I, E, after the refa, right? That's all we are going to look into that. If at the beginning, if there is refa or anything, we don't worry about it, right?
No, not correct. Look at this Pitru Nam. So it ends with a Makara. It's not ending with a Nakara. It ends with Makara. And the Nakara is somewhere in the middle part of the word, but it is preceded by Rukara. And still we are converting it. So it has nothing to do with whether the word ends with Nakara or not. We only care wherever the Nakara happens to fall inside a word, whether it is at the end or middle or towards the beginning, whether it is preceded by Refa, Rukara or Shakara, or it belongs to that set of letters that we saw, then the Nakara changes to Nakara.
So it can happen anywhere. I mean, I don't want to bring the example, but I know the homework example. Yes. So if there is, two na and then na, then we convert
I think
both.
In the homework, it was Mishran Yantram, Bhanu Mahodaya.
Yeah, Mishrana Yantrani. So we worry about at the beginning, sure, and then also we have to do both.
Okay. So let us first take the Ekavachanam word of it. Mishrana Yantram. So we assume it is a Nakara. We don't know if it's a Nakara or a Nakara. Can you see what I typed here?
Yes.
Okay. So we don't know whether it is a Nakara or a Nakara. So we start with assuming it is a Nakara. And here, nakara happens to fall in the middle of the word. It is not at the end of the word, right? And this is the ekavachanam form. So if we break it, ma, e, sh, rekha, ha, na, ha, yakara, nakara.
But the nakara there, the first nakara, Bhanu Mahodaya, was already arna.
So I know. I'm saying.
Yeah. For example, you are taking it.
Yeah. I'm trying to clarify that the nakara doesn't have to be always at the end for this rule.
Got it.
Okay.
It is not Mishrana. It is Mishrana, right?
Okay. So here the nakara is somewhere in the middle of the word Bhagya Mahodaya. It is not at the end. Now let us see if the rule will apply. So how many? So we see there is a nakara here, right?
Yes.
And there is rekha here.
Right. And then there is a swara.
There is a swara here. So this has to convert.
Right.
So it becomes Mishrana.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Now there is one more nakara here. So we have to worry about that also. Is it Mishrana, Yantram or Yantram? That is also a valid question, right?
Yes.
So between this nakara and this rekha, are there letters that don't belong to our set of valid letters that will cancel this rule? Akara is valid. Is nakara valid?
No.
No.
Nakara is not valid. So the rule will not apply to this guy.
Okay.
So it will remain Yantram.
So if it was Mishra Yantram, then it will become Mishra Yantram.
Uttamam. If it was like this, if it was Mishra, let us look at it. If it was like this, Mishra Yantram, then the rule will apply because all of the intervening letters between nakara and rekha are valid letters.
Yes. Okay.
Okay. Now let us do the Bahuvachanam. So to convert to Bahuvachanam, we just add ani, right? So let us assume this is the answer. We don't know if it is the right answer or not. We are worrying. We have to figure out whether this becomes ana or remains na. So let us again break it up. Okay. So there is a nakara here, there is a rekha here, and there is a swara in between the two. So this has to convert into a nakara.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
And so this becomes Yantrani.
Yantrani. Okay. Thank you, Mahodaya. Dhanyavada, Mahodaya.
So it is already yes, Mahodaya.
Yeah, one last question. In the example Parnam, it will be Parnani.
Parnani.
Now the Parnani, like the bigger ni or the small ni?
Nakara only. So let us do one thing, Rachna Mahodaya. Let us finish our class with a Prarthana Mangala Shlokam, and I will stay back. You can if anybody else also has a question, we'll do Parnani and other letters.
Sure.
Okay. Please meet yourself. ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरिः ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ॐ धन्यवादः
धन्यवादः महोदय
धन्यवादः महोदय
धन्यवाद।